Belonging, acceptance, is one of the primary human needs. We want to be accepted by our people, whoever that is. And society has made it way bigger. Has made that pool way bigger than it needs to be. Right. So there's our parents, our siblings, our family, our friends, our colleagues, our bosses, and then there's like everyone. And that creates the people pleaser. And really the only acceptance and approval that is required is God's, which is our own. And God accepts us no matter what. No matter what. The most hideous of criminals who have committed the most heinous acts, God accepts. So our little nonsense, like God bless, oh God, please. Is that all you got? So, AKA our own acceptance. But we look to others for our acceptance. For acceptance. And when we don't get it, it's painful. It's one of the deepest pains that we can feel, is to be rejected by someone whose approval we want more than anything, a lover, a parent, a friend, that job or position, or your followers, your audience. And what's really missing is self-love, right? The love for ourselves that says, I am worthy, I am lovable, I accept myself, even if nobody else does. I don't get the position. I don't have the business or the job, the lover, the audience. None of that matters. God loves me. So I am lovable. I love me. So I love me. And then from that place, we can get in alignment with, I love me, I'm good enough, I'm worthy to make manifest the desire that is in my heart. Where do I go from here?